Record keeping. Objects used for record keeping, bulla and tokens, have been recovered from within the Near East in ex- excavations dated to a period beginning 8000 BC and ending 1500 BC as a record of the counting of the agriculture procedure commencing in the late 4th millennia. Memory symbol were in use by members of the temples and places to serve to record stocks of produce. Types of record according accounting for trade exchange of payments were being made firstly about 3200, a very early within on types of records accounting for trade exchange and payments, and clay tablet called the Code of the Hammurabi refers to the regulation of the banking activities of sorts within the civilization of an era with the dates to see it 700 1700 BC. Banking was well enough developed to justify laws governing banking operation. Later, during the Academia Europe, after the 646 BCE, further evidence is found of the banking practices in the Mesopotamia region. Structured by the 5th millennium BC, the settlement of the Sumer, such as the Eridu, were formed around a central temple. In the 5th millennium, people began to build and live in the civilization of cities, providing a structure for the construction of an institution and established. Tel, Perak, and Uruk were two early urban settlements. Earliest form of banks, Asia, Mesopotamia, and Persia. Banking as an archaic activity is thought to have begun at various times during a period as early as the latter part of the 4th millennium BC to within the 4th to 3rd millennia BC. Among many other things, the Code of the Hammurabi recorded interest-bearing loans prior to the region of a Sargon. First of the occurrence of a trade was limited to the internal boundaries of each state of Babylon, and temples located at the center of the economic activities therein. Trade at the time for the citizens external to the city was forbidden. In the Babylonia of the 2000 BC, people depositing gold were required to pay amount as much as the 1/60th of the total deposited. Both the palace and temples are known to have provided lending, issuing from the wealth they held. The palace, to a lesser extent, such loans typically involved issuing seed grain with a prepayment from the harvest. These basic social agreements were documented in clay tablets with an agreement on an interest accrual. The habit of the depositing and the storing of the wealth in temples continued at least until 209 BC, as an evidenced by the Antioch having ransacked or pillaged the temple of the Ani in Ecbatana of gold and silver. Cuneiform records of the house of the Egypt and the Babylonic describe the family's financial activities. Data as have occurred sometime after the 100,000 BC and ending sometime during the reign of the Darius I. Shows, according to the source, lending houses silver 2002, a family engaging in the professional banking. Dantimus 2004, and economic activities similar to a degree to modern deposit banking, although another states to the family activity is better described as an entrepreneurship rather than the banking. The provision of the credit is apparently also something to the Murushu family participated in the Moshinki 2008.